Welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I'm sharing with you my Dollar Tree shopping haul. Now it's not a very big haul, but I wanted to show you a few things because I was so excited. Look at these big flower pots. These are huge. So I was so excited when I found these. I picked up two for my front porch. They also had these in orange. Next, I picked up some eyeshadow. It's the LA Colors 3-color eyeshadow. Then I also found some of the lemon scented hand soap. I thought the packaging was so cute. Now, it doesn't smell that great, but for $1, I'm going to use it. And then also, this is my favorite bubble bath from Dollar Tree. And then I found some cute bath bombs in the Easter section. So I love taking bubble baths and using bath bombs, and so these were in the Easter section, and this one is cotton candy scented, and then this one, let's see, it's marshmallow scented. And then I picked up this cute little headband, and these also came in purple and I believe blue. Aren't those cute? And they got the little cottontail on back. And then I picked up this sign. These are so cute. I picked up some yarn today at Hobby Lobby, so I'll show you that too in just a second. And then I found some more of the 6-inch deco mesh. I picked up some pink and purple. That's all they had this time. And then I found some of the prayer cards. It says it includes 20 prayer cards, or includes 20 prayer and scripture cards. So I thought these were really pretty. And then we picked up some snacks, some Reese's Pieces. Of course, had to get something chocolate. 3 Musketeers bar. My daughter found these guacamole flavored tortilla chips, so she's excited to try these. So you'll have to let me know if these are good or not. And then we also love pretzel sticks, so we picked up some pretzel sticks. So I think that's it from Dollar Tree, so give me just a second and I'll share some more things with you. Next, we stopped by TJ Maxx, and I found some cute things for a preteen or teenagers Easter basket. So this is, it says Honey Bunny Spa Headband. Isn't that cute? Got the little rabbit ears. So I thought that was cute, and it was $3.99 at TJ Maxx. And then I also picked up this body scrub. It has little bunny ears on it, so I guess it's in new for Easter, and it's strawberry plus kiwi plus apple scented. Packaging so cute. I love the 3 colors, and it's just Onyx and Bathhouse, or Onyx Bathhouse Foaming Bath Scrub, Unicorn Dreams with Moroccan oil. So I'm going to try this, but I also thought this would be great, like I said, for a little girls or preteens or teenagers Easter basket. And they had these in different scents and different colors too. So I picked up those two for an Easter basket. And also these little bath bombs would be great in an Easter basket too from Dollar Tree. And then I have one more thing from TJ Maxx, and I picked up these tulips. And they had these also in white roses and yellow roses at my store. They're $9.99, so I have a DIY coming up with these flowers for Easter. And then give me just a second, I have a few things I want to show you from Hobby Lobby and Bath & Body Works. My daughter and I also stopped by Bath & Body Works, and they have a special on the lotion right now, but we couldn't remember what the special is exactly, so you might want to check online or in your store. But this is one of the new scents, and it smells so good. It's Waikiki Beach Coconut. It says fragrance notes, tropical white coconut, saltwater breezes, sun-bleached woods. And so I love these. I have sensitive skin, and so I like to use this lotion right after I shave my legs. And it's 24-hour moisture, ultra shea body cream with essential oils. So I got this scent. We also got the Key West. It's coconut water and melon. The notes on it are coconut water, saltwater waves, and fresh melon. So it smells yummy too. And then the last one is this Hibiscus Paradise. It smells so good too. And it's pink hibiscus, juicy guava, and sun-kissed coconut. And these original price for one's $14.50, but right now they have a sale going on. And then I have some things I want to show you real quick from Hobby Lobby. Okay guys, I picked up this beautiful yarn at Hobby Lobby. Right now, Hobby Lobby has their yarn 30% off. This one was original $19.99 and it is Yarn Bee brand. Look how beautiful the colors are. So pretty. I have a DIY coming up with this yarn. It's Chunky Spiral Field of Blooms and it's 120 yards. So I thought this one was beautiful. And so we also picked up this color to go with it. We thought those two would go well together, and it's by the same brand, Yarn Bee, and it was $6.99, but it was also on sale for 30% off, and it has 42 yards on it, so I thought these two would be beautiful together. And then their ribbon and their deco mesh is on sale for 50% off this week, and so I picked up some of this deco mesh. Well, actually, it's the poly mesh, and it's more kind of like a paper, I don't know, it's a different texture than the regular like Dollar Tree deco mesh, but it was on sale for half price. And then I also picked up these shears and wire cutters, and they're $9.99. Hobby Lobby has done away with their 40% off coupon, so I was a little upset I didn't have a coupon to use for this. But I think that's it for my shopping haul. So I hope you enjoyed watching. Let me know what your favorite item was in this haul, and I hope everyone's having a wonderful week.